This 1969 Dodge Superbee is a rare, numbers-matching, factory-correct performance machine built for those who appreciate raw power and unfiltered American muscle. A true icon of the golden muscle car era. Equipped with a legendary 426 cubic inch, 425 horsepower Hemi engine and backed by a heavy-duty A833 4-speed manual transmission, this is number 38 of 103 produced in this configuration. The dual inline Carter AFB 4-barrel carburetors, intake, and exhaust manifolds are genuine to this car. No parts of this engine are altered in any way, no performance equipment whatsoever. A Hemi order meant heavy-duty suspension parts and underpinnings were standard. It's also a factory Super Track Pack car with a 355 axle ratio. Equipped with 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels, redline tires, and 4-wheel drum brakes. The exterior is finished flawlessly in its original B5 bright blue metallic. B5 blue is the most popular color for this period. The roof is vinyl black and is believed to be original. All sheet metal is true to this car. Exterior features include a black Superbee tail stripe, a dual scoop N96 hood, quad headlights, polished exhaust finishers, and faux quarter panel scoops. This car was fitted from the factory with the rear option C16 and C55 bucket console interior. Finished in black vinyl are the original black vinyl seats with headrest, rear bench seat, and door panels. The woodgrain steering wheel frames a tick-tock 8,000 RPM tachometer with an inset analog clock, as well as 150 mph speedometer and gauges for fuel level, coolant temperature, oil pressure, amperage, and an AM radio with an 8-track player. Headliner and glass are correct for the car. The details continue into the trunk with a full-size spare wheel and matching tire on the original style mat, which is stowed in the trunk. The original window sticker, broadcast sheet, owner's manual, photos, and receipts from restoration are all included with the sale. This is your opportunity to own one of the most coveted Mopars ever produced. With its numbers correct 426 Hemi, 4-speed drivetrain, and more, this 1969 Superbee is both a thrilling driver and a high-end collector investment. Careful attention to originality and detail is evident. The car starts smoothly, idles strongly, and drives like a true Hemi car should. Tight, aggressive, and thrilling. For more information, contact LRA today at 215-781-3790. That's 215-781-3790. Or email us at sales@lrasales.com. That's sales@lrasales.com. The chance to own a Hemi car with this level of documentation, originality, and attention to detail is rare. Don't miss it.